How to use ultra-wide camera on Instagram. Welcome back to Glitz Wasura, and let's get right into this tutorial. To use your wide camera angle on your Instagram, just tap open your application. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Tap on the plus sign icon to post a story. Now if your application is up to date, all you have to do is tap on the setting gear option that is at the top of your screen in your right hand corner. When you select on it, you will find a list of options. You may be able to select the option of wide angle as well. If not, in your left hand side, you will see some of the features for your Instagram. In there, you need to select on wide angle. If your application is not up to date, you will not find such options. In that case, you need to tap open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, just go ahead and search for your Instagram. Make sure that your app is up to date. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Once it is up to date or reinstalled, you can force update it. For that, press and hold onto your Instagram application and head to App Info. Select on Force Stop, then head to Storage and Cache to clear up the cache. This will force stop or force update your Instagram and also remove any bug or glitch issue. This is the wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.